Barcelona. Bonnier free kick in favor of FC Barcelona. Now it's a pass against side. Abete Robert Lewandowski Lewa. Robert Lewandowski Lewa AP. I'm Abete Hafinha. Abete Hafinha. Hafinha. Camilo Lopez AP. Robert Lewandowski AP. I'm Abete Hafinha Ebon. Hafinha Ebon. Hafinha ni Abete Christensen. Hafinha. Any Christensen. Andre Christensen Ebon. Rafinha Pio. Camilo Lopez Apia. Rafinha Swaba. So far, so very good. 62 minutes in the second half. FC Barcelona 0. FC Barcelona 0. Chelsea 2. FC Barcelona 0. Chelsea 2. Lian Delap. Wabeja Alejandro Garnacho. Lian Delap. Sorry, Wabeja Alejandro Garnacho. Lian Delap. Wabeja Alejandro Garnacho. Barcelona are down by 2 goals to nothing. The second half. Sima Adwosia Miensa. Chelsea 2. FC Barcelona 0. Gonna be Lamiyama. No bag of Pian. Sorry. Rafinha. Pierre Amaro. Frankie Dion. Pian Alejandro Balde. Back to Paul Kubasi. Kubasi Akonte. Eric Garcia. Lamiyama. Chelsea Fonaji Wall. Gonna be Mark Vieira. Akweni ball, but Pia, Lamiyama, FC Barcelona, Lamiyama, Lamiyama, people need to Enzo Fernandez, Enzo, Moses Casado, Pia da Matrevo Chaloba, Andre Santos, back to Trevo Chaloba, back to Abade Moses Casado, to Andre Santos, Pia. Mapupiera, Moses Casado, Chelsea Bobu, but about Tete, or she about Malo Gusto, one of the DJ, but about Tete, nice control from Kogomoku, nice control, throwing in favor of FC Barcelona, the second year, Smabiosian and N9, 64 minutes of Soccer Fiesta, FC Barcelona 0, Chelsea 2. FC Barcelona 0, Chelsea 2. On goal, being scored by Abate Vez, Dispundo, and Abate Vez, Esteban Williams, second goal to count. When I did not prepare for Chelsea, was Chelsea. Wesley Fofana, Pianama, Trevor Chalobah, Patrick Kamakama, back to Wesley Fofana, Pilar Tete, William Dilap, Piadama, Esteban William, Esteban William, throwing in favor Chelsea the Blue. Throwing in favor of Chelsea the Blues. They are throwing in favor of Chelsea the Blues. Esteban William, a stubborn player. Omar Diya, Bate Pense, Alejandro Balde, Alejandro Balde, Chelsea with the ball. Chalobah to Mapupiera, to Enzo Fernandez. Enzo, Pianama Pedro Neto. Back to Yandla, Champion Challenge, Born at Manco for Charles de Blue. Esteban William Kunde. Esteban William Kunde. Charles de Blue. Just James. So far, so very good. Is one free kick in favor of FC Barcelona. Corner free kick in favor of FC Barcelona. Corner free kick in favor of FC Barcelona. Hey, free kick in favor of FC Barcelona. Mapu Pera say la mi ama na ma na ha kan WhatsApp. Otata la mi ama you pa. La Barcelona. Por la mi ama. La mi ama. Pena ma Frank Plus Frank Pina. Da como Pau Kubasi. Pau Kubasi. Remember. Pina que tem Obian FC Barcelona. E eu fui na Copa. A Pina como Esteval, young love, one uncle. So, Chelsea the ball about Chelsea, coming for the ball, she's for the foul. Raf is for the foul. Raf is for the foul, you're going to foul. Chelsea the blue. Ball the foul, you're going to Chelsea the blue. Our branch first Esteval William, the move that you told to Esteval William, the move that you. Just how intense this game is. America was the last 14 games between these two teams. The last 14 games between these two teams. Chelsea are winning 4. FC Barcelona are winning 4. And a 6-iron draw. The last 14 meetings. And we have been the last 15 games. America was a Cordial TV judge on Facebook. Cordial TV judge on Facebook. Who like you show Russian? No commenting. Whatever the Kundi. Fashion on YouTube. We're streaming live on YouTube. So, Cordial TV on YouTube. Cordial TV on YouTube. Cordial TV on YouTube. So, who like you show? Who like you? Who share no comment on YouTube? Who like you? Who share no comment on YouTube? No be I come on there, my Cordial TV on YouTube. No be I come on. Freaky. In favor of Barcelona. I'm glad your friend said, I am the body of the food. James Edna Bache Ekowa Bache Ayando Baldo. James Edna Bache Ekowa Bache Ayando Baldo. And you can say Bache Ayando Baldo and the food. Ayando Baldo and the food. Alejandro Baldo and the food. A free kick going in favor of FC Barcelona. Now me call say how they call TV GH. Cordial TV GH. Cordial TV GH on YouTube. Or like you show no share no comment. Or like you show no share no comment. Cordial TV GH on Facebook. Cordial TV GH on YouTube. Or like you show no share no comment. Or like you show no share no comment. Cordial Herbal and Spiritual Center. Cordial Herbal and Spiritual Center. Go means to go people. Professors in our so that just Pedro Neto. Now so a corner kick. A corner kick in favor of Chelsea. Corner kick in favor of Chelsea. Pedro Neto, you are doing now. Pedro Neto, you are doing now. Pass Nemaka. I have brought the Pau Kubasi. Let's go. Goalkeeper Perez. Juan Garcia to the rescue. A corner kick here by the Chelsea room. Sorry, FC Barcelona. A corner kick here by the FC Barcelona because the friend for the TVG Diego Milito. And the boss player who the boss player Duke El Hassan. The inside up of the players. We're streaming live on Facebook, live on YouTube. For the TVG, for like you show me. We say no one commenting this. Big chance. Wesley Fofana was scored that chance now. Wesley Fofana, big chance. One team making good use of the chance. One team making Lami Yama. Lami for Barcelona. Pierre Makunde. Kunde back to Lami Yama. Lami Yama get my piano. Pierre Kunde view. Kunde. Center seven. What's my Yandila Bakuna. Big chance for Chelsea. That's the ball. Abrante. Esteban William, oh, Daddy, still Chelsea with the ball. Esteban William, Pierre Mabidel, crossing us. Hey, Mamma Mia, we are in the lab, Mamma Mia, Sakatema. Chelsea the Blues, so many have the papa, Chelsea. Blue is the color. Football is the game. We live together. Glory is our name. Chelsea the Blues. Chelsea the Blues. So far, so very good. 72 minutes in the second half. Chelsea 2, FC Barcelona 0. One of the PJ in the center circle. Chelsea with Mafana. Because I don't know. One of the Moses Casado. Wesley Fofana back to Robert Sanchez. Robert Sanchez back to Moses Casado. Chelsea Bobby. Casado. Hey, that's the Bona Pisa. Rafinha, the Bona Pisa. Back to Rafinha. Nice ball from Trevo Chalobah. Bona Baby. Put about to Bassa. Chelsea with Mafana. Chelsea. Nansu. Get Manco. Bona Baby. Alejandro Balde for FC Barcelona. Alejandro Balde the Bona Pisa. James Pian. Bona Baby. Esteban William before Bona. Esteban William. Malo Gusto. Back to Malo Gusto. Put about to Wesley Fofana for Chelsea. Trevo Chalobah. I'm in Paris. Still live on Facebook on YouTube. Kodia TV GH. Kodia TV. Kodia Sport. We like to show you some up. This Casado. Casado Pian. The right is now Chelsea. I brought the fence. Pedro Neto, the one called Pedro Neto, Chelsea, Pedro Neto, to the child. Chelsea, offside. Chelsea to Atlanta Subone offside. Liam Delap. What to Atlanta Subone offside. At the middle, Chelsea 2. Still not Chelsea 2. FC Barcelona 0. The Blaugranes 0. Namika said, they stream live on Facebook. Kodia TV J on Facebook. Sasna on YouTube. Kodia TV on YouTube. Kodia Spiritual Center. And Kodia Heba and Spiritual Center. Kodia Herbal and Spiritual Center. You see, I did be a grandpa also. I worked for so many years. And the same one Kodia Herbal and Spiritual Center. Kodia Herbal and Spiritual Center. You bet you are in a sermon. Uncle and San Mabio. Bono. Va Echaki Bono. Liam Delap Bono. Va Echaki. Va Ebus Echaki Gono. Liam Delap Gono. Va Echaki. Sounds like a person in Central. 1 year go. There you go. Chelsea 3. FC Barcelona 0. Chelsea 3. FC Barcelona 0. Liam Delap. Assisted by Enzo Fernandez. Chelsea 3. FC Barcelona 0. Chelsea 3. FC Barcelona 0. Red card ya bunted the Ronaldo line. I think that I need negative incident, negative consequences. FC Barcelona team. I'm a cast of Kodia TV Jet on Facebook. Kodia TV on YouTube. Or like a show room. Or send more comment. Or like a show room. Or send more comment. If you feel free. Samsung on TikTok. Yes. If you see a trending. TikTok. If you see a trending. Chelsea 3. FC Barcelona 0. Bora beri Frankie Dion. Pierre Amor Juice Kundo. Tulami Yama. And then they are better best of Makupera. Omalami Yama. Washington Papa. Back to Juan Garcia. Pass Rama. Balde. Alejandro Balde. Alejandro Balde. Chelsea Adibono. Chelsea Boriba. Chelsea set a big base motion. Chelsea Boriba. Tulami Yama Adibono. Lami. Obanama. Rafinha, Marcus Rashford, Marcus Rashford. And so the one born here. Tory in favor of Chelsea. FC Barcelona. Trevor Chalobah with a nice tackle on a brighter face and Marcus Rashford. Born here Tory. They're throwing here to the Etia. A brighter face and Lamina Makobi Tromato. Amakundo. Back to Eric Garcia. Pierre Lamy Yama. Lamy. Betmaken. Lamy Yama. Pierre Frankie Garcia. Frankie Dion. Pierre Yama. Pau Kubasi. Yasibadiba. Gonna take it to the connection. Nelson Chavo Chalobah. You don't feel flexible. Chavo Chalobah. Betman Ogangan. Pierre Yama. Robert Sanchez for Chelsea. Robert Sanchez for Chelsea. Okankan. Robert Sanchez back to Chavo Chalobah. Back to Robert Sanchez. Robert Betmaken. With the motor to center circle. Michel Yangla. Nancy Barcelona for you gonna Barcelona for you gonna be the one Garcia. Peter Motte to center circle. I'm super Frank Dion. Frank Dion. Pierre Ama. Abrante Fonse. Camilo Pe. Pierre Ama. Frank Dion. FC Barcelona. And I'm on Super Frankie Dion. Peter Motte to Kunde. What about this Kunde? Pierre Ama. Lamy Yama. Pierre Super Frankie. Back to this Kunde. Chelsea Fanati. Whatever. Enzo. Liam Dilap with Makwana. Liam Dilap for Bono. Liam Dilap person as oh, Richard with Makwana Chelsea. David. Enzo Fernandez. The second year. Smart you also watching. 78 minutes of soccer fiesta. Chelsea 3. FC Barcelona 0. Referee on a foul. A foul, yeah, Bodiatia. Chelsea the Blues. A foul, yeah, Bodiatia, Chelsea the Blues. The second year, Smart was on 79 minutes of second fiesta. Chelsea 3. FC Barcelona 0. Chelsea 3, FC Barcelona 0. Liam Dilap, Esteban William, and Ongo by Abrante Juice Kunde. Ongo, Lamy Yama Huso. Lamy Yama, why just a passenger in the game? Lamy Yama today in the game has been like just a passenger. Lamy Yama, the uniform, the Lamy Yama film. Alejandro Badi film. Lamy Yama every game. So far, so very good. The second year smart you're watching. 8 minutes of soccer fiesta. FC Barcelona 0. Mausa Badri Gerard Martinez and Daniel Kofi Omo. Shop on Facebook. Who like the show? Who send what commenting? Who like the show? Who send what commenting? You bet Jim Beniaki can't comment in Nama. Gerard Martinez. Daniel Kofi almost welcome. Second year smart you're watching. FC Barcelona 0. Chelsea 3. Goal being scored by Brighton versus Esteban William. Liam Dilap and then Ongo from the camp of Juice Kunde. Barcelona the ball over. Pau Kubasi. Okankan. Personal suit. Nanso. Yamano. Danny Omo. Abrante versus Nelson where you gonna appear. Big chance. Nelson. Chelsea for you gonna play 80 balls. Rafi Zidane. Bonnie free kick. The bullet Chelsea the Blues. Liam Dilap Akocha. Eric Garcia, the marksman. Liam Dilap Akocha. Eric Garcia, the marksman. Nami Kausa. Bonnie TV GH. Facebook. Who like to show me channel comment Bonnie TV on YouTube. Yes. Mamusa Bratel, place me bum chat. See Ebeyen Sachraye. Chelsea. Ebeyen Sachraye. The second year smart on tobacco. 81 minutes for second fiesta. With James APA. Reece James, captain for the side. And we have Boydman in midfield for Chelsea the Blues. And Enzo Maresca will be the captain Ambanama Brother President Enzo Fernandez. Or the captain Ambanama Brother Enzo Fernandez. Chelsea the Blues. Moussa Esteban Williams Upio. And our Brother President James Apio. Esteban Williams, the Brazilian international. And then the Englishman, the James Apio. Esteban Williams. What an impact we had in the game. Being Chelsea and can be going in for this young talent from Brazil. And looking at what he's doing so far in the club level, the highest level, this guy is really showcasing the reason why Chelsea got into the big team. Yes, blue is the color. Babia Didier. Papa, and say, wow. I saw Bamu. Babia Didier. Esteban William Apio. Reece James Apio. Tariq George. Abam. That's a George at Champon. George at Champon Sabam. At Champon Abba. The free kick. I will say about the first Frankie, you appear about Tete. Pimbo Nature, Chelsea, the Hero Apio. So, one of the Balkubas was a piano. One of the Super Frankie Leon, Frankie Wonderful, Kagaman. Back to Balkubas to Gerard Martin. Pierre Bonacieux, Gerard Martin, Bonnie throw in favor of Chelsea. Bonnie throw in favor of Chelsea. Codler Media Institute. This who takes money. The tournament in class will be a Opposition Central Juma, a Codler Media Institute. Opa, you how to work, become a professional journalist, newscasting, editing episode, sports presentation, media law and ethics, good joking, production episode, program hosting, graphic design episode, a Codler Media Institute. You will teach man continue town. You will teach man continue town. You know about money school, and say money school one about Codler Media Institute. As you come with a dream, live with a career. You bet my friend 054 0554 0554 205335 0554 205335 Codler Media Institute. If you come to do live with a career, Bonabedi Kundo, Piasso Bonacci, Bonabedi Juan Garcia, Barcelona, Bonabedi Gerard Martin with my King, Paul Kubasi, Pierre Bonnet back to Gerard Martin, Boneba, Pierre Chelsea Fanago Bon James, Nancy Chelsea Boneba, Moses Casado, Pierre Marca, Fantasy, sorry, Envy, Chelsea Boneba, Chelsea, with my piano, and Bonabedi, Bonnie again. They're throwing for Chelsea the Blue. They're throwing yet FC Barcelona. The second and I meet a walking small walking 85 minutes of the star. Chelsea 3, Barcelona 0. Throwing the FC Barcelona. Afina, and the one who go through. Marco Piera back to throwing the game in favor of Chelsea. Enzo, and Barcelona. Barcelona throwing the FC Barcelona. FC Barcelona. So far, so good. 86 minutes of soccer fiesta. Chelsea 3, FC Barcelona 0. Chelsea 3, FC Barcelona 0. Chelsea 3, FC Barcelona 0. Bonabedi, Wesley Fofana, Piadama, Andre Santos. Back to Wesley Fofana, Piadama Trevor Chalobah, Tuabat is a Marco Piera, Tuabat is Enzo Fernandez, Captain Fantastic, Tanzania International, Piadama Lian Dilap, Albanico, back to Moses Casado, Piadama Tete, Wesley Fofana to Andre Santos, Tani Kabakuma, Georgia Champion, Piadama Wesley Fofana, Chelsea Baby. Back to Trevor Chalobah. Opiana Marco Piera. Enzo Fernandez. Back to Marco Piera. Back to Moses Casado. To Trevor Chalobah. Chalobah with the ball. Let's Chalobah to Enzo Fernandez. We're going to Piera Marco Piera. Rafi Sidney. Basa Banza Mumbai. Back to Moses Casado. Enzo Casado. Marco Piera. Trevor Chalobah. Andrew Santos. Robert Sanchez. What about Tete? Marco Piera. Control. Man's of Tete. William Black. Alpha. To Chelsea. Presidio. Paul Kubasi for Barcelona. Juan Garcia. What about Tete? Gerard Martin for Barcelona. Gerard Martin bet my piano. Piano Kama. Now Pedro. Piano Kama. Daniel Morada. Paul Kubasi. What about Gerard Martin? That's the Fernando. What is it? One free kick. You're going to tell Chelsea. Free kick. You're going to tell Chelsea. A champion of good side. The second year, somebody will do it. 88 in the Super Fiesta. FC Barcelona 0 Chelsea 3. One of the nice one from Trevor Chalobah. And then my push shot from Bonat Manfo. Whatever the land like Rafi. One free kick. You're going to tell FC Barcelona. One free kick. You're going to tell FC Barcelona. I'm a thousand higher public TV GH on Facebook. One TV GH on Facebook. What? TV GH on Facebook. What like you show no? What share no commenting? What like you show no? What share no commenting? Trevor Chalobah, Marco Piera, Enzo Fernandez, Moses Casado, a champion, Enzo. What about Tete? Tarek George, Rick Mavana, Mathieu Idama, Daniel Pian, Paul Kubasi, back to Gerard Martin, Pierre Daniel. One shot by one out still. Daniel, Ogadibo, Goki. Barcelona about the Chelsea. Yes, I can't yes, sorry, Smart 89 for that Fiesta. Barcelona 0, Chelsea 3. FC Barcelona 0, Chelsea 3. UEFA Champions League. UEFA Champions League match day 7. Match day 5. UEFA Champions League match day 5. Chelsea 3. Bonabedi. Frankie Dion. Pierre-Emma Koundé. Back to Frankie Dion. National Pierre Dion. Pierre-Emma. The president. Everyone come up now. Koundé. As back to Marco Pierre. What they take the ball to of Chelsea. Ball near Trovi in favor of Chelsea. Newcastle, England, Manchester City game not gonna win. Bayern Liverpool select Manchester City. Oh, it's just they are going to choose away. It's a game not gonna win. The Newcastle Juventus against my friends Bordeaux Glimt. Juventus 3, Bordeaux 2, Borussia Dortmund 3, Villarreal 0, Borussia Dortmund 3, Villarreal 0, UEFA Champions League match day 5. Wesley Fofana, but you don't have to stay Barcelona, you're going to Marcus Rashford, now, one of the new about the fence, Daniel China's way, you don't have to stay just the one about Barcelona, way off target. Rafi this mami esa na atoso 90 minutes ni na banawe 90 minutes ni na banawe Newcastle Napoli 2 Karabag 0 Napoli 2 Karabag 0 Man City Arsenal fiamba kwa ya Liverpool akwachina bona kamera Wentmans ewo Etihad Stadium football get Guardiola na squad we have much now more games for the UEFA Champions League. More games for the UEFA Champions League. FC Barcelona 0, Chelsea 3. That was Stamford Bridge. FC Barcelona 0, Chelsea 3. great. Yama Brandt fence Alejandro Garnacho standing ovation. Chelsea fans now man will say yes. Chama never did Juma. Yama standing ovation against Barcelona. Esteban William was an exceptional player. Gone to play Barcelona. So Chelsea, whenever you go Sanford, Pina, George, Trevor Chalobah, Wesley Fofana, Trevor Chalobah, Marco Piera, Enzo Campo Fernandes, Marco Piera, Francis Casado, Enzo, Piera, Trevor Chalobah, Fofana, Wesley Fofana, nice one, Andrew Santos, Chelsea baby, Chelsea Brandon baby, Chelsea Brandon baby, Chelsea Brandon baby, Chelsea Brandon baby. I can grab on Facebook, I can grab on the Instagram. Araujo must leave my darling club. Araujo must leave my darling club. Chelsea, la botte che buona. Chelsea per somma c'è fourth goal. Chelsea per fourth goal nasce. Chelsea è per fourth goal nasce. Chelsea la botte che Marco Piera. Marco Rascu. La buona. Chelsea per fourth goal nasce na sua mama. Chelsea. Buona bene fatto Super Frank. Rafi's mother foul, Goretzka, young lad of Chelsea. Rafi's here foul, your bomb Rafi Asana Benyo Tanzania Banabeo. Rafi Asana Benyo Tanzania Banabeo. The Dayakosu Yani Pitri. I was Stamford Bridge. The Dayakosu Yani Pitri. Chelsea 3, FC Barcelona 0. Chelsea 3, FC Barcelona 0. The Dayakosu Yani Pitri. Stamford Bridge. Chelsea 3, FC Barcelona 0. Chelsea 3, FC Barcelona 0. Match day 5 in the UEFA Champions League. Match day 5 in the UEFA Champions League. You know, Chelsea and at 10 points. Barcelona was 7. The starting game with the 2. What you said? The last 14 minutes between these two teams. Then Chelsea are winning 4. Barcelona are winning 4. Now my sister is George. You see, I'm in Kasai. I bet you 15. The last 15 minutes between these two clubs. Chelsea are winning 5. Barcelona winning 4, and 6 iron draw. Beginning Kajo, side for the blessed, and a side for the blessed. They have come there, strike a CM, and Kajo Institute, and Sakadia, Herbal and Spiritual Center. Omeni Jumakua, Bremistica, Mama Honey, Etel Machine, many life coming to all the way from England, Stamford Bridge, and the Braille Hour to Chiman, Ghana to Preside, 48 TV GH on Facebook, 48 TV GH on YouTube. And a teaching for my mommy. And my meeting with the committee and Ebro. We did the cipher, but you did that. I'm not fear that same time. So the boss play himself, Jabo, Gamito, imagine like a cipher the dress. We didn't pop on the dress. We didn't cipher the dress. Therefore, the Chakasema, Gabi Fernandez, Gabi TV, Gabi Fernandez, Sports Messiah, and the Chakasema, Gabi TV, then Gabi TV. Jago, Jamito, boss player. Friday I am out. I'm here my next Friday this year.